Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a slime collection. Okay, that was a little bit dramatic, but yeah. So let's get on with the video. Yo. Recording. Okay, that was really background, but yeah. So my first slime is in this box, and this is a clear slime. This is how bubbly it is. This is when you leave it alone. Let me go shut my door. Come on. Go shut the door. Okay. I gotta come back. Hopefully I can get the same thing working. I think that's good. Okay, so yeah, it's like really bubbly. I love it. I don't even think you guys can see down here, because I'm gonna fix it. These aren't all my slimes. There's a couple. There's a whole, not a whole bunch, but there's a couple. And here and containers. But you're probably thinking, how is this clear? Well, it's made this clear though, and laundry detergent. Clear almond book, and it's like a very bubbly slime, and there's no food coloring in it. It's just that color because of the laundry detergent. Okay, so it is very sticky because it's literally 10:43 in the morning, and my hands are dry. So if I can just get this off my hands, it would be great. Okay, I got most of it off. Okay, on to the next slime. This slime is my bubblegum slime. I like this slime. It's very pokey. There's way too much liquid starch in it, so it's not very stretchy. There's like hair in it. There's hair in every single one that's ever in a slime. Even slimes that you buy off Etsy, they have hair in it. They try to take it out. Yes, even some people. Well, everyone's had a slime that has hair in it. Well, everyone that's had a slime has had a slime with hair in it. Okay, on to the next slime. This is like my in the bottom of the sea slime. I'm just gonna call it that. I really like this slime. It's in my restock this week, by the way. Just kidding, it's not. I don't even have an Etsy shop. So it's very pretty. It's very sticky and very stretchy. Okay, I don't recommend playing with slime on your bed. Honestly, don't. And if you're thinking like, what happened to your finger? Yesterday I did a slime collection video. Yeah, and my little brother, he knocked my phone into like the, what's it called, like food coloring, and it got food coloring all over it, and I started to wipe it off. So happened. So the next one, this is a plain. That one's kind of plain too, but the next one, this is a plain. It's a jiggly slime. Like, you guys can see this. Cause it got really hard, so I added some water. Yeah, smart choice, Natalie. And it got really sticky. And then I added some more liquid starch, and this came back to the same thing it was. My next slime is this one. This is literally the softest slime you will ever feel in your whole entire life. Oh yes, I do not have any foam yet. I don't want to buy foam soon. Just I haven't wanted to make foam yet, so like I've been wanting to, but I haven't had the money to buy it. So, is that my last slime? No, there's two more left. This one is my blood slime. It looks really weird. Like, if you put on the lens, it looks fake. I know. Make sure this is recording. Again, just to make sure. And I want to show you this. This is also made with Elmer's clear glue. If you were wondering, that's the only type of clear glue I've ever used. Horror movies are sometimes shoot with what's that slime? It could be. Okay. Now this one's called Sizzling Cinnamon. I named this one because it's a clear slime. Because look how clear that is, guys. Because like, you know the fireball things that are really spicy? Well, and then like they have cinnamon in them. This looks like cinnamon. So, and there's a jelly belly bean, and jelly bean. I said belly bean. Okay. It looks like this, but it's red with white spots. But I didn't have any white there, so I couldn't make it like that. So I just switched it up. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta get the other ones. But you guys can come with me because I don't feel like editing this video off today. So let's go. It's really bad lighting over here, by the way. I got one. Ew. That's gross. Okay. I should have just left you guys over there. I'll pick that up in a second. I have 4 more slimes. Yeah, SpongeBob is on that one. SpongeBob, please sponsor one of my videos. Okay, so my first one I'm going to start off with is this one. And it reminds me of something, but I can't remember what it is. It's purple with pink glitter. And it's like a cake battering thing. I don't know, it reminds me of something. Doesn't it remind you of something, but you can't remember it? Well, if you do remember it, put it in the comments, because I want to know, guys, so bad. That makes this thing recording. So I don't have one of the flip things, so I can't tell. Okay, I'm getting one of these. Oh, where's something in there? So it's a butter slime. It doesn't have any model clay, but it's a butter. It was one of them was in my blindfold slime challenge that also did not get uploaded, just like this video won't. But and it was also just a slime that I made random in another video, and that also did not get uploaded. So my next slime is this one. Okay, that is disgusting. To be honest, that's what's on my dress. Okay, so this slime smells so strong. Guys, it smells like game. Because the color of it looks really ugly, doesn't it? Because there's chalk in it. Look. It's like there's robin egg candies. So, I don't even know if you guys can see it, but you guys can. Okay. Little pieces of chalk. My little brother. So, shout out to him for being a brat. Okay. My next slime is a very bubbly slime. Not very bubbly, but it gets bubbly. Like starts to let bubble out. This is I had 2 more slimes, but I threw them away in the last video. That I also deleted. It was on the same SIM card that's in this, and I deleted it on purpose. It was just not a good video at all. So this is one of them slimes that you don't really like because you use the rest of your gallon glue on it. Like, you never like the slimes that you use the rest of your, like, if you only have a little bit in your gallon of glue, and you waited forever to get it all out, and it's just a drop. This is how this was. It was just a drop. It was like half of this, and then I added some shaving cream because it was very gooey. But it pokes well, kind of, not really at all. But yeah, I ran out of shaving cream, so that's why it's still sticky. But on to my next one. This is my last slime. So this slime that caused my phone to tint, because I was trying to make it a different color than this slime, but it was just the same color. So I just added some pink food coloring to it because this slime was very gooey and it was a white slime. What? Yeah, it was a white slime, and so I decided to add some of the other one because I didn't feel like grabbing some more liquid starch. So I could add the other one, and I put some in it. So let's see how it turned out, and it's a way different texture, but it looks really pretty. It's not as stretchy at all, because there's two different activators. Who does that? I know this video was horrible, but yeah, let's get on to the outro. Yo, hey guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press the thumbs up button, and if you didn't like it, then press nothing. So, and if you want to see more of me subscribing, or want to be part of the notification squad, press that bell, honey boo boo. Yeah. So, bye. I'm really tired, so good night.